Alright, so mainly you just want to make sure everything lines up and that you get your holes lined up with your gasket so everything is set like it's supposed to be. Bolts here. So go ahead and line my fuel pump up so where it goes in where it's supposed to. So you may want to go ahead and get your bolts kind of through here already, or at least one of them, so the gasket don't spin on you. That way when you go to line it up, it's lined up pretty good. I think I got it started in one side. Then I'll just do the other side just like it. You don't want to over tighten it because you'll break them bolts off on the engine. You don't want to do that. You know, that'll make for a bad day. That'll make for a real bad day. So I just try to get them nice and tight. Well, like a half. I try to give them about a half turn past tight, just like. Okay, that's tight. And if it, if it's not tight enough, I go back and tighten it a little bit more. But I'd rather be on the side of caution than over tighten it and have big problems. All right, as far as hooking it back up, this is your main fuel line that goes to the carburetor. These are on good because this is your fuel, so it could get hot and cause a fire if you don't have it on there right. So that's pretty much it. How to replace the fuel pump on a Mazda B2200 with the carburetor. So that's that. That's how I do it. You guys can do it any kind of way you want. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks. Peace.